In this video, we will show you how to work with clone objects. In general, clone objects are a group of copies of an original object. When you have a group of clone objects, you edit the shape of all of them together. Let's see how it works. To mark an object as clone, the option Add New Object as Clones need to be turned on. Now, when this checkbox is on, it means that all created copies are marked as clones. Let's start from these two objects and create multiple copies. Select both objects and left-click and drag as if to move the objects. Press the D key once while dragging, and when you release the mouse click, a duplicate will be created. In the same way, you can create as many clones as you like. To see what it means to have a clone object, we shall select any of the created clones and alter each shape using the Edit Shape Nodes option. Once you modify any of the clones, the others are updated as well. You can actually create amazing patterns using cloned objects. Now, if you turn off the Add New Object as Clones option, the new copies are not grouped anymore. So, let's create a new copy. If you change this one, see, nothing else changes. Those previously marked as clones remain cloned objects. For all cloned objects, there are some more options available. If you right-click on any of them, you will see a submenu. This menu provides an easy way to select all clones. And an option to detach any of the clones. As you can see, the item in the center is no longer grouped with the other clones. So, if you go on and change any of the clones, the central object is no longer affected.